So we are in Jomtien, the Jomtien Beach condominiums. So this is like an entry point. So this is like a entry point here in Jomtien area that I'm standing in. I'm gonna take us on a walking tour here, and so I'm actually about to go to pick up some items, and just wanted to share this with you guys. The area, it's real chill. It's not as busy as Pattaya area with the hustle and the bustle. It's a little bit more laid back. So yeah, and kind of walk through an area called Supertown here in Thailand. For those of you that know, yeah, it's definitely well, it's closed right now, but they have it called Supertown. And like I said, whatever it is that you're looking for in Thailand, you can pretty much find. It's a variety of things to do, see. So I'm just walking on my journey, and I hope you guys enjoy this tour. So we got the Lone Star Saloon. It's early in the morning right now, so a lot of things are closed. So you won't see a lot of things open right now. It's about 9 a.m. So Robin Hood. Yeah. At night, the place is alive and bustling with tourists and active people having a good time. So I like to just kind of show sometimes the opposite of all of the combustion and the life, and you know, just to kind of get to see things before everything gets crazy and, you know, hectic. People doing productive stuff in the morning. It's amazing, you know. It's not all party, you know, go. The green room, of course, you know. Thailand is known, very popular for the Thai Cannabis Club, right? They're closed. But it's on the tap. Yeah. So over here to Tops real quick. Man, sometimes I forget to look. The streets are on the opposite side, so the traffic, instead of going left to right, it goes right to left on opposite sides of the street here. So sometimes I forget, sometimes I look the wrong way. But thank God, nothing bad has happened. Yeah, so let's check out Tops. Tops is like the competitive side to 7-Eleven here in Thailand. I wanted to pick up some nuts and some paws, you know, but actually some natural sources of protein. So you can pretty much find some everything in Tops and 7-Eleven here in Thailand. It's not they're very economical. They keep a lot of. I've been trying these plant proteins. You know, these things have been really good. You find them here. They're like $1, but you get like 30 grams of protein, which is you know, which is good. It's good for you. So this is Tops. You can get a lot of different things here: water, drinks, snacks, pretty much toiletries, things that you may need for you know, whatever it is that you may need, they may have it, and reasonably priced. A lot of stuff is reasonably priced. So I hope you guys enjoy this tour as well. Pretty much. All right. Save more. All right. Hey guys, I'm gonna cut this tour short. I hope you guys enjoyed the walk and the content. If you're new to the channel, please like, share, and subscribe. All right, peace, guys.